struggling with acne, pimples, dark spots, whiteheads, or blackheads? Feeling like your skin is dull, uneven, and far from that glass skin glow you see on your favorite celebrities? Well, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Achieving glass skin isn't as hard as you think. In fact, in just 7 days, you can transform your skin and get that radiant, poreless, and glowing complexion you've always dreamed of. This isn't magic. It's science, consistency, and the right skincare routine. This is a day-by-day glow-up challenge. Follow these steps correctly, and you will achieve glass skin. No fluff, just proven methods and natural remedies. Ready to glow? Let's begin. Day 1. Double cleanse to reset your skin. Day 1 is all about starting fresh. If your skin is clogged with dirt, oil, and impurities, no product will work effectively. That's why we begin with the double cleansing method. Step 1. Oil-based cleanser. Use an oil-based cleanser to melt away makeup, sunscreen, and excess oil. Look for ingredients like jojoba oil or squalane. They're gentle and effective. Step 2. Water-based cleanser. Follow up with a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining impurities. If you have acne-prone skin, try a cleanser with salicylic acid to unclog pores. Pro tip: if you prefer natural remedies, try a mix of honey and aloe vera as a gentle cleanser. It's antibacterial and hydrating. Day 2. Exfoliate for smooth, glowing skin. On day 2, we tackle dullness and uneven texture with exfoliation. But remember, over-exfoliating can damage your skin barrier, so stick to 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical exfoliants? Use a gentle chemical exfoliant with AHAs, like glycolic acid, or BHAs, like salicylic acid. These dissolve dead skin cells and unclog pores without irritation. Natural exfoliants. For a DIY option, mix rice flour with yogurt and gently scrub your face. Rice flour brightens, while yogurt soothes and hydrates. Day 3. Hydrate with a powerful toner. Day 3 is all about hydration. A good toner preps your skin to absorb all the goodness from your serums and moisturizers. Hydrating toner. Look for toners with hyaluronic acid or rose water. These ingredients lock in moisture and plump up your skin. A DIY toner. Mix green tea and aloe vera gel for a natural, soothing toner. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and redness. Day 4. Brighten with vitamin C serum. Day 4 is when we bring out the big guns, vitamin C serum. This powerhouse ingredient brightens your skin, fades dark spots, and boosts collagen production. How to use: apply 2 to 3 drops of vitamin C serum after your toner. Let it absorb fully before moving to the next step. Natural alternative. If you want a DIY option, mix lemon juice, diluted with water, and aloe vera gel. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, but use it sparingly to avoid irritation. Day 5. Repair with retinol. Day 5 is all about repair and renewal. Retinol is a game changer for acne, fine lines, and uneven texture. How to use: start with a low concentration, 0.25% or 0.5%, and apply it at night. Always follow up with moisturizer to avoid dryness. Natural alternative: try rosehip oil. It's rich in natural retinoids and works wonders for skin repair. Day 6. Moisturize and seal the deal. On day 6, we lock in all the hydration with a good moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is non-negotiable. Lightweight moisturizer. Look for ingredients like ceramides or niacinamide. They strengthen your skin barrier and keep it hydrated. DIY moisturizer. Mix shea butter with a few drops of jojoba oil for a natural, deeply hydrating moisturizer. Day 7. Protect with sunscreen. Day 7 is all about protection. No matter how great your routine is, without sunscreen, your efforts will go to waste. Broad spectrum SPF. Use a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every morning. Look for lightweight, non-greasy formulas. Natural sun protection. While natural options can't replace sunscreen, ingredients like raspberry seed oil and carrot seed oil offer some UV protection. And that's your 7-day glass skin challenge. Stick to this routine and you'll see a visible glow, smoother texture, and brighter skin. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Let me know in the comments which day worked best for you. Until next time, stay glowing.